You may wonder what sorcery is involved in making these surfaces float. Under the hood, we find the front-mounting plus bracket. Just like its little brother, the front-mounting bracket, these bad boys are built for sheer strength. Here's how you install them. There are some things you just shouldn't do, like snore through the sermon, eat a burger with a fork, or use power tools without safety glasses. Safety goggles are a thing. Live large and wear them. And if you're kicking up dust, wear one of these. Some earplugs, and keep your skin on with gloves. Helps you grip your tools better too. Now let's gear up. Installation of the front-mounting plus bracket is as straightforward as heating up leftovers. You'll need a stud finder, a pencil, an oscillating multi-tool, a drill, a 9/64" bit, a number 3 Phillips driver, a drywall patch kit, a level, silicone adhesive, and to demonstrate how straightforward installation is, we chose Keith because he has no prior experience installing our brackets. Now that we're geared up, let's begin the installation. First, use the stud finder to locate and mark the position of the stud, then mark the center point between them. Use a level to draw a vertical line down the center. Use the bracket as a template to mark its placement, lining up the middle hole with the vertical line. Then use an oscillating multi-tool to cut the sheetrock. Cut the hole a bit larger than the area of the bracket because you'll need a little wiggle room. Now, center the bracket on the stud. Starting in the middle hole, drill a pilot hole using a 9/64" bit. This will help ensure the wood doesn't split. Mount the bracket to the stud using one of the provided number 12 wood screws. Now, ensure that the top of the bracket is level and drill a pilot hole in the bottom hole and secure it with a screw. Then, finish with pilot holes and screws on both sides of the top. If you find that your stud wall is not plumb, be sure to shim the bracket. Repeat the process for the remaining brackets using a level between them to ensure they are level with each other. Once the brackets are secure and level, patch the wall with a drywall patch kit. Then run a bead of high-quality silicone adhesive down the center of each bracket. Carefully place the top and you're done.